Alright, so you've probably seen the Milouz wireless induction speaker popping up in ads and TikToks. Maybe you're wondering if it's just another gimmick or if it's actually worth your money. I've spent the last week putting this thing through its paces, and here's what I found. First things first, the tech is real. The Milouz uses near-field audio induction, which means no Bluetooth pairing headaches. You just drop your phone on the stand and boom, your music gets louder. It works by picking up the vibrations from your phone's speaker and amplifying them. So it's not magic, just clever engineering. Sound-wise, it's honestly impressive for the size. It'll fill a small room or kitchen with clear, loud sound. But don't expect booming bass or concert-level clarity. This is more like, I want to listen to a podcast while I cook, not let's throw a house party. One thing I like, it's super simple to use. No apps, no pairing, just set your phone down and you're good. There's even Bluetooth mode if you want it, plus a cool adjustable phone stand, RGB lights, and on some versions, an emergency power bank. It's compact, rechargeable, and genuinely portable. I moved it from my living room to my office, no problem. Now, a couple quirks? You do have to line up your phone's speaker with the sensor just right, or the sound won't amplify much. And if you're a bass lover or an audiophile, this isn't going to replace your fancy speaker. So, is the Milouz induction speaker a scam? No, definitely not. It's a legit, budget-friendly gadget that does what it says. Easy, quick sound boost, no fuss. I'd recommend it for casual listening or as a fun, practical tech gift.